Become a social influencer. Everyone is talking about the latest marketing trend called influencer marketing. It is no longer only used by a small number of businesses or advertising agencies, but is now a common marketing strategy. Almost all major industries have seen an increase in the number of influencers. And brands are using them now more than ever. Everyone wants to make an impact in their various fields as it has become very profitable to do so. If you are one of those people who want to inspire others, then you have come to the right place. We'll go over how to become an influencer in this guide. Continue reading to get started on your path to influence. Who is it recommended for? Social influencer marketing is recommended for people who are good at social media. How much can you earn? You can earn up to $500 per sponsored post on your social media channel once you build a strong, engaged following. Even tens of thousands of followers. You don't need millions. Startup costs. There are no startup costs, and you can start investing more as you grow and start making money from it. Although it's not easy, becoming an influencer on social media isn't as difficult as you might think. The truth is that people aren't inspired just because they have what it takes, are exceptionally attractive, or excel in a certain field. If you approach it strategically and like a business, your chances of being an influencer will increase dramatically. Yes, it will take some time, but it is definitely possible. What do I need to get started? To get started, you need a blog, and you can create a blog with no coding skills using a simple drag-and-drop WordPress builder. Get 300 plus design templates, one-click WordPress installation, web hosting and domain registration, all for just $2.95 per mo with Bluehost, the #1 trusted WordPress hosting. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the bell button to get more business ideas.